So lately I have been loving this coffee, which is really good. So I'm gonna serve it with my French toast.
이제 제일 흘러.你先进来的吗？
So if you can always think about illicit affairs and stop.
Hi. Got your child. Stop crying. I go forward to my job here.
We stand on guard for.
Not really.
So you're 28 and still living at home? That's pathetic.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. There's an empty unit you can.
Yeah, the girl. Ah, 有一天盲线圈就这样。
I mean, most of the time, like, I do back myself, but then if I'm going with my mom,
So it's like stacking. But if they expect you to buy it,
I've got more kids coming for a meeting tonight. You with Soldier? Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually gonna go check on them later today. And you were short by about 22 grand. Sounds right to me.
Sorry, OMG, that was amazing. Your brother is like everything, and they all ate my popovers. God, I am really fucking happy.